In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use writing styles to shape Claude's responses. We'll walk through how to pick a writing style, send a clear request, and review the results so you get exactly the tone and structure you need. This is great for everything from quick summaries to polished professional write-ups. First, click the plus button. This opens a fresh space where your settings and message won't be mixed with earlier conversations. A clean start helps the style apply consistently to your next response. Next, click Use Style. This is the control that tells Claude how to shape its tone, structure, and level of detail. Think of it as choosing the voice and approach before you even start typing. Now browse the available writing styles. Take a moment to read the brief descriptions you'll see. Browsing is worth it because each style emphasizes something different: speed, depth, teaching, or formality, so the right choice can save a lot of editing later. Select a style that fits your goal. Normal is a balanced, everyday voice that's clear and approachable. Learning is great when you want explanations with teaching cues, definitions, or step-by-step clarity. Concise trims the extras and gets straight to the point. Explanatory leans into structure and reasoning, helpful when you want a process or breakdown. Formal keeps things polished and professional, ideal for reports or external communications. If you're not sure, start with normal, then switch styles after you see the first draft. Type your prompt or request in the message box. Be specific about your objective, the audience, and any constraints like length or must include points. A quick frame like, write a 2-paragraph overview for beginners, or draft an email with a respectful, professional tone, helps the style do its best work. Send your message. Just before you do, glance to confirm the selected style is still active. It should stay attached to your draft, but this quick check prevents surprises. Wait for Claude to generate the response. It may take a moment as the system shapes the content to match the style you chose. That extra beat often results in a cleaner, more on-target answer. Finally, review the AI-generated content in your selected style. Check the tone, structure, and level of detail. If it's almost right, refine your prompt with a brief adjustment, like make it more concise, or add a short example, or switch to a different style and resend. With a few small tweaks, you'll land on a result that fits perfectly.